Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize lock screen on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. Over here we need to go to home and lock screen and then choose lock screen. And then at the top we have customize a lock screen. Now we can start customizing our lock screen. We can select the current clock in order to change it to something else. There we go. Let's press this cross. Over here we can also manage the notification style. So we have bubbles, we have chip, or we have a list. So let's say we're gonna choose chip over here. We can also change the apps in the corners at the bottom. So we have some shortcuts, we have wallet, we can also switch to camera and something else. And the same goes with the left side as well. You can actually quickly switch between those shortcuts by tapping over here. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, you can simply go back by pressing this arrow in the top left corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!